As you scroll through, you'll see that some sites have a premium tag. A premium tag indicates a template that costs money. All the other templates are free. For our tutorial, I really like the look of this one at the top left, so I'll go ahead and select this. Next, you'll get some initial customization options. First, you can upload a site logo by clicking to upload a file, but if you don't have a logo right now, that's okay. I'll show you how to add one later. You can also choose your font pair, toggling through to see which one you like the best. I like this one. Next, you can choose a color palette, again, toggling through until you find one that you like. I really like it with this yellow button. Once you've got your initial setup dialed in, go ahead and click Continue. You'll be prompted to select features, check any options that you want, or just click Skip this step. You'll get this page here, and you can fill it out if you'd like to, or you can just click I understand, let's go, and then click Submit and Build My Website. This will take a few moments to process as it sets everything up. When it's done, you'll get this fun little confetti animation, and you can click View Your Website to see how it turned out. And here we go. You can see that the starter template is all loaded into our site.